And I thought, it's probably only $5 most.
Work out.
Okay, make sure switches are in the right place. Okay, take it off. Trying. Okay, it does feel taily.
Yep.
Very flicky floppy.
Okay.
Okay, we've got a lot of down trim in it.
Yep.
That sort of makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, it's not level now. Yeah, if I do a steep turn, it's going to dive itself into the ground. I'll tell you that.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay, thumb stop twitching. Alright, one more circuit, then we do a landing.
Is that about half throttle?
Yeah, that's about that.
Good. It's got a good turn of speed.
Okay, landing. We'll cut the throttle a bit, see how it glides.
Okay, the wind is from the northwest.
Well, that's no worse than the bunch of them.
Very good, mate.
Very good.
Well done.
Excellent. I'll let my brain go away and think about that. Nope. Doesn't have the oomph. Taking off, or trying. Whoa, plenty of up trim.
Okay.
Taking off, or trying again. Oh, still wants to go up. Why did it do that? All right, taking off again. No. Still pitching up. Take it off. Back the throttle off. Again. Did the same old.
Still pitched up a bit.
All right. Another take. All right. On the field. And I thought, it's probably only $5 most.
Work out.
Okay, make sure switches are in the right place. Okay, take it off. Trying.